How to save as a PDF in Google Drive. I'm going to show you in this video how you can convert PDF to Google Docs, or as well as I'm going to show you how you can save Google Docs as a PDF. So guys, both way it is very easy. Both queries you can solve with an easy solution. I'm showing you how you can do this. So let's start with the video, guys. Before you starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So guys, first I'm going to show you how you can convert the PDF in Google Docs. So just log in with your Gmail account and just go to the Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive is a cloud space where you can save everything, like all Google Docs and Google Excel, everything, Google Sheet, all data will be all data is saved here. This is a Google Drive space which is 15 GB free. Okay, so now as I told you that I'm going to show you the convert the PDF to Google Docs. So first you have to upload this document. Okay, so just click on file and find out the PDF. So I just steam key. Okay, so how to insert delta symbol. Okay, so I have some emails PDF here. So this is okay, so this PDF I just take and just open it. It will be uploaded to the Google Drive. So once it upload, just open it. So it will open like this. Now if you want to uh, you know open this in, okay, so now if you want to convert it documents, Word documents, open it again, just go to the open with and go to the Google Docs. So it will be converted in the Google Docs. Okay, so it will be take some time and it will be converted as a Google Docs. Now you can able to edit the everything whatever you want. Okay, you can edit anything. So now if you have already file in Google Docs and if you want to save as a PDF, then just open the Google Docs file and just go to the file, go to the save as. Okay, where it is. Okay, go to the download and go to the PDF format. So it will be download as a PDF. So you can see again it is convert PDF. Now you can also upload it again in Google Docs if you want. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.